I think the whole future of farming this sort of country, you need to be a conservationist. It needs to be understocked. It needs to be allowed to have cover at all times, even in droughts. The agreement is to manage some areas of the property have elected to not stock. We can stock them briefly. We hope over time to get more trees in those areas, and that creates corridors along the creek, but also leading out into the plain to the creek. Those corridors, if they can connect, allow sort of wildlife to flourish and sort of species to move back into the area, but also just for aspects of shade and shelter. It's much nicer to live with trees than not, because a lot of our country is fairly treeless. So the more of that we can do, the better. So trees are just vital. To me, this just enhances what we were doing.
And it still allows for stock movement.
I think it'll give us the funds to do some more weed control than we might have normally done. It also keeps us on our toes with managing these areas so that the trees do come away and the native grasses. So it's good discipline, but it certainly those funds towards weed control will be a help.
So certainly cover on country is going to be more and more vital to the fragile soils on a lot of this sort of old country.
If we can fence off areas of trees that so that they can be re-establishment and regeneration.
I mean, we are custodians, and we do want to see the property just continue to get cover, and I think it's a great thing to do.